Sawadee Krap, it's Joe in Pattaya. This is Thepprasit Road. Jump TM down that way and up to Sukhumvit Road there. Sunday the 20th of March. Thought we'd have a look at something different. Check that out. The Superlai Mare Apartments. And this is the Khan Club. Big theatre there. Well, let's go check out some of these condos and other streets around here. That's a huge building. Make a great casino if ever casinos are allowed here. There's a lot of land around here. And look at these condos just here. They built a stack of towers here. And they're only 8 stories, but there's about 10 of them. Look at all this lot. See all that? That's crazy. Look at those condos. But look at this. They nearly finished them. Now they look abandoned. I tried to ride through there, but you can't get through. That's just crazy, isn't it? Build all that and just, I guess, run out of money. Who knows? It's nearly 3 o'clock. Looks like rain's coming. There's a big old club. Imagine 79. I bet that'll reopen. Amazing, these clubs. They just build them in the middle of nowhere. Now this Soi here, it's a lot of little clubs and a few bars here and there. You might recognise it. Trying to think of the name of the Soi. It's Thepprasit 8. Don't hold me to that. Yeah, look at all this lot. And that would have been the entrance just here. All closed off, abandoned. What's that place? Renovating, doing something. It's a little village there with little houses. Another condo block, whether they finish them or not. Superlaiville. There's the Caddy Shack. I've heard of that, the Caddy Shack Sports Bar. Good food in there. I've never personally been, but it looks alright. Big place. And just across the road is the Punch and Judy. There's another village. Soi Eat Mongol. Look at that, Punch and Judy. Good food in there. Wasn't too hot today. We had a little bit of rain overnight. The bars were quite busy. More girls than guys. There's no tourists are really coming back in numbers yet. We'll have to wait a while for the crowds yet. Oh, the Thai German house. That was European food in there. These little streets, you don't know which way to go. You get lost down here. Motorbike shops everywhere. It's a good little beer cafe. Beans and Beer Cafe. Land office. And this takes you back into central Pattaya along here. Massage shops everywhere. Hello. And look, big market stalls. Look at the condos in the distance down there. That's the city garden on 3rd Road in the distance. Yeah, so last night, iBar was busy. I was in Soi Pothole, was quite busy. But like I said, they could do with a few more tourists. Just us old expats hanging around. And a couple of cheap Charlies. Look how quiet it is for a Sunday. Probably all at the beach. There's a bit of a breeze. That PlayStation, thought that was a bar, but no. Well, this is Regional Land Soi 6. It's a nice looking building there. I think that's a big gym in there. Hotel and fitness. Oh, look at that place. Hotel and fitness. Sauna, swimming pool, so they say. But still, the bars close 11 o'clock. After that last meeting was disappointing. Let's hope in a couple of weeks they have a rethink and realise they actually need to relax more rules. It's 11 o'clock closing, it's no good. Is that a big hotel there? Pattaya Resort. Pattaya Resort, look at that. That's that new building on 3rd Road, all the condos there. Not quite finished. Let's have a look up here, guys. I hope everyone's doing okay. You'll be able to come back on a holiday soon. Joe, coming through. I think this is the back road to the back of TukCom. See all the gold shops. Gold price is up at the moment. End up round here, the day-night hotel. Remember this? Day-night. Near the back of TukCom. Day-night hotel. A lot of people stayed in there. I personally never have. Lots of markets and shops around here. There's not too many bars in this area. No, straight ahead. Lifestyle can go. That's the TukCom supermarket in there. Supermarket on the ground floor. Or the basement floor, and lots of phone shops everywhere. The law. You can get lost around some of these sois. But I gotta go out tonight, guys, so I can't do a late video. I know you all want to see bars. I'll do Soi 7 and 8 the next couple of days, because looks like more bars have opened up, which is always good. And here we are back on South Pattaya Road. Got to be careful of the traffic. And this just goes up to Soi Bukkau just here. But that was just something to look at, a bit different. There's TukCom there, the front shop. But stay safe, everybody, because this is Joe over and out. The route.